Hello friend, I'm Samadi back to the new tutorial video regarding soil mechanics. In this video, I discuss about cohesive force as well as adhesive force, or you know something new about what do you mean by cohesive and what do you mean by adhesive. Actual my plan was that I will make a video about the capillarity, but when I jot down all the resources, then I found the two words cohesive and adhesive, and I thought if I am not making this cohesive and adhesive video, so you will not understand capillarity, you will not understand the effective. So I am thinking, why not make a video regarding cohesive and adhesive. So guys, let's in this video I talk about cohesive as well as adhesive. If you are new in my channel, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for never miss an update, because I am coming with this types of video almost every day. For better understanding, I write in two sides of this frame. Okay, first to first, that both are intermolecular attraction force. सेम वो दोनों, मतलब दो चीज़ फोर्स के अंदर ही आता है. जैसे कि आप कह सकते हो कोहेसिव फोर्स एज वेल एज एडेसिव फोर्स. इंटरमोलिकुलर अट्रैक्शन फोर्स मतलब मान लो ये आपका एक पूरा पार्टिकल है और इसके अंदर देयर इज़ अ अनकाउंटेबल मॉलिक्यूल, तो एक के साथ दूसरे का जो अट्रैक्शन उसको कहता है इंटरमोलिकुलर अट्रैक्शन फोर्स. If you want to know more about intermolecular attraction force, then there is some I button. Go and check out my soil structure and clay mineralogy. There will be 17 videos. Just go and check out what do you mean by intermolecular attraction force. So come to this topic. First, that two are intermolecular attraction force. Okay. Number two, if two are the attractive force, then what is the basically difference? Difference depends on the particle. क्या है ना, पार्टिकल के ऊपर इन लोगों का डिफरेंस बनता है. जैसे कि मान लो मैंने दो पार्टिकल लिया. ओके, मान लो पार्टिकल ए, पार्टिकल बी, और यहाँ पे भी ले लिया पार्टिकल ए, पार्टिकल बी. पार्टिकल ए इज दिस, पार्टिकल बी इज सेम. मतलब इन कोहेसिव फोर्स पार्टिकल ए और बी सेम टाइप. सो इस सेम टाइप होने के बावजूद दे अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, बट इन एडेसिव फोर्स पार्टिकल ए शुड बी दिस, बट पार्टिकल बी शुड बी दिस. ड्यू टू डिफरेंट पार्टिकल देयर शुड बी ऑलवेज फोर्स, अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स आप कह सकते हो. तो इफ यू आर सेइंग इन वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज, देन फोर्स बिटवीन टू सेम particle is known as cohesive force. That cohesive generally in soil mechanics known as the capital C. And what do you mean by this adhesive force? This force between two different particle is known as adhesive force. So that is the main difference. If A and B are same particle, then that particular force known as a cohesive force. If they are not same, that means they are different, but there is some attractive force. That force is known as an adhesive force. Okay. When I talk about fluid mechanics, then there is a term called surface tension. इस surface tension होने के मतलब surface tension के साथ that adhesive force, that cohesive force are very connected. जैसे कि अगर आप फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स पढ़ लिया तो आप कह सकते हो, मान लो ये आपका एक ट्यूब है और यहाँ पे पानी है. तो अगर पानी है तो इसका शेप ऐसा कुछ होगा. सेम चीज़ अगर मान लो यहाँ पे आपका है मार्करी है और आपने डाल दिया कुछ ट्यूब, तो मार्करी के लिए कुछ ऐसा होगा। तो ये शेप ऐसा ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स, दैट कोहेशन फोर्स. So when I will talk about the surface tension and fluid mechanics, then I talk its detail. But in capillary force, in effective stress chapter, this cohesion and adhesion is important, because without understanding cohesion force and adhesive force, you cannot understand capillarity as well as effective stress, because cohesive adhesive force is related to capillarity and capillary concept is related to effective stress. So for better understanding, you have to understand what do you mean by cohesive force and what do you mean by adhesive force. So yeah, I know this video is very short because I am planning to make the capillary video, but then I thought no, first I have to make the cohesive and adhesive force. So yeah, this is a very short and simple video. So if there's any kind of doubt regarding cohesive and adhesive, then do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. If you are thinking you learned something new, so like this video and share the video with your groups. Still, if you are watching my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update, because I'm coming with these types of video almost every day. Thank you for watching this video. More knowledge, more opportunity.